What is a subconscious paradigm? Now, I watched a video by Bob Proctor who I think gave a very good verbal explanation that was highly accurate in terms of definitions and, technicality. And that was a paradigm is a habitual set of beliefs and patterns that formulate your subconscious mind and behavior. A habitual set of habits or patterns that formulate or create your subconscious mind and what you're doing. Now, to get a little bit more metaphoric, or to use some more analogies, a paradigm is the subconscious mind is something that's naturally occurring. It's very, very natural, very, like a plant or a tree, right? When we think of natural or something that's very, original, we kind of, all can connect to, a sunflower or a rose or, a bush or a tree in your backyard or front yard. This is something that's very naturally growing. Now, if we go backwards, we have a seed, and written in every single plant seed, literally, the energetic pattern of growth that seed's going to go through. It's a really beautiful, beautiful creation that's occurring here, right? And it starts off as a seed, though, and it begins to grow with the nutrients and from the soil and the water and the photosynthesis from the sun and all of that good stuff, right? And it's formulating and growing through this energetic pattern. And sometimes, obviously it's going to face, weather changes and other things along the way that it's going to have to overcome. Now, a plant doesn't have, free will or conscious, which is why we're the guardians of the galaxies for the plants. Now, your paradigm, though, or your subconscious mind is very similar, right? You have all of these, beliefs, or these, I like to imagine like a ball, right? Or like a group of just words, and beliefs, just, millions of them in your subconscious mind. And everything that you do, from how you wake up, the first thing you do when you wake up, how you respond to different things, how you brush your teeth, how you take a shower, how you eat your breakfast, how you go to the bathroom, how you, get dressed. What else do you do in the morning? I don't want to know what some of you do in the morning, but, how you work out, whatever it may be. Every single little thing is coming from your subconscious mind's paradigms. Now, if you are consciously living or consciously, responding to life in accordance to who you are, right? It's only free will when you discover your true self on the inside. Then you become aware of some of these bad paradigms, and habits that you have, to where, you start to replicate through repetition, or just consciously living, you start to change them, right? Now, if you're consciously living and responding to, all of everything that's happening throughout the day, then this allows, us to change these paradigms very fast. Now, some of them, we like to listen to subliminals, right? And through repetition and through emotion or belief that comes from understanding subliminals, you start to achieve and you start to change these paradigms, right? And then these paradigms, the body is nothing more than a molecular structure vibrating in accordance to our thoughts, or more accurately, your subconscious mind's thoughts. So this molecular structure that's vibrating is just all a result of your subconscious mind's paradigms, and it's why, unfortunately, some of those bad beliefs, that the news likes to, at night, if you ever actually, as a child, maybe your parents, or maybe some of you, the news, likes to put out and repeat all of these health problems and health conditions, and that's if you understand how this all works. Guess what starts to manifest? And then you're on your health insurance or your Social Security, and you're just another dollar sign, and the subconscious mind never gets changed or repeated out of all of what the news propagated and put into your subconscious mind, and now the doctor's giving you pills that just suppresses the problem and suppresses it, but it never solves it. But that's a whole nother lesson. But these are what paradigms are, and it's how the physical body works. And unfortunately, a lot of children, get passed down these, subconscious paradigms through, the physicality. Now, we as conscious creators can change these paradigms, on a molecular structure level, aka physical results, or we can, go into the inner growth and the inner world and change, through our personal growth and personal development. These are what paradigms are, and I'm now getting a little hungry, guys. I'm gonna go get some lunch after one more video.